Hey guys, welcome back to some more Kirby Superstar Ultra. Last time we destroyed the main cannon 2. This time we're continuing Revenge of Meta Knight. So that's also what we started last time. Who cares? So we just have to fly past it. And you get this stuff. Okay, so right here, sorry if you can hear that. It's really annoying for me. So, come down here. I don't think there's any place for you to save. If there is, it's, third spots. I don't remember saving. Oh, I guess it's because I normally complete the whole stage. But the stages aren't that long. Like, Dynablade isn't that long. Spring Breeze is only like 14 minutes. Great Cave Offense, if you're not doing 100%, it's only like 6 minutes. So anyways, we want to head in here, and we just destroyed the left wing, I think it was, and they're talking about how they lost their ability, I think. I don't know. I don't agree. Oh, I didn't read that. You can do that. Bomb makes this a lot easier. So, I'm actually gonna pick sword because I'm at full health. So, this is gonna look familiar here. So, if you remember that sound, it's, what's it called? I actually feel really good. You can stick behind him if you want. So, it's actually faster to jump than it is to just fight. And here, hit the fight. You actually have to kill him this time. But more distant. Heavy Lobster, okay. I actually completely forgot his name. I don't know how I did not take any damage too. So, that's the end of that. Pretty easy. Okay, so, continuing, we just destroyed the lightning wing, have around this door, and you could technically fly under everything, but, I'm not. I'll fly when I need to, because you're practically required to fly in Kirby. I almost died there. So going this door, you have a bunch of different abilities. You just have to be quick. Unlike me, it helps if you have the sword beam. Because you could just shoot all the switches. You have to come over here. Go all the way down. Hit that switch. Go up here. I think we could finish this. I don't think there's much to it. Especially since I'm skipping a lot of optional rooms like this one. So, anyway. Go in this room. And we're on our next boss fight. I think after this we're gonna get to the final fight here. I'm not sure. But all you have to do in this fight is stand up here and hold on. So you know my partner is annoying. In fact, that's why I'm taking his ability. Because he's annoying me. I wonder, can you? Nah, that thing let him do them. Well, you might be able to die. But I would just hold on. If you're stoned, all you have to do is hit B once and you're fine. This is the reactor. I think we have a 41. We have about 40 seconds. I don't know what happens if you run out of time. I never ran out of time in this. Because they give you so much time. Okay. So just be careful. I'm sorry if this is being uploaded later. And you know it's annoying me. You can see all those wheels. Although you can destroy them. Finally. They don't harm you, but so the wheelies were the source of their power. Anyway, we're pretty much done with this. We just have one more fight, I think. So, this part's a bit tricky, not too tricky. Just be careful. Stone isn't too good for this. But, who cares, I picked it. Oh. I didn't see that wall there. That's what happens when you don't pay attention. So I'll take Yo-Yo. I'm starting to really like Yo-Yo. I don't think I mentioned it, but if you hit stardom, you can view all the attacks. So, we're pretty much done. Well, I already said that. So we're pretty much escaping right now because it's blowing up, I think. Oops. If you hold up and fall on your partner, you do that little jump. So we're gonna have to verse these guys again. Once you kill them, you can continue. This time there's a lot of them. I'm not sure if it's random about what soldiers there are. Because there's like 4 different types of them. So, head up, and you can go in the store. And you can become sleep. Don't know why you would want to. But we're versing Meta Knight. So, you need to grab the sword. And, Meta Knight is kind of tricky. There's one attack that I never avoid. That one. But I kind of avoided it. Only I got hit in the process. From Meta Knight. You don't need to have sword for the whole fight. See? You can do that. And fight a Meta Knight the classic way. And I just shot him in the face. So, Meta Knight looks similar to, Kirby. If you saw. Oops, sorry about that. It's basically, just a ship exploding. And for this part, there's not really much you have to do. If you just hit B once, you're pretty much fine. No matter what, you will have to really, because it's required. And you should be coming up on the end. During this cutscene, you actually can see all the abilities on the bottom screen. So I just thought I would mention it. Okay guys, now it's time for Milky Way wishes.